Welcome to my channel, Air Fry Recipes 101. This is going to be a very short video. Those of you that came over from my other channel, the Baking Diva, thank you. And for those that are new here, welcome. I'm going to do for you a hack that I saw on TikTok. That's right. And they showed you, now we're going to see firsthand if this works. They showed you the best way to clean your greasy, yucky air fryer basket. And this is what they said to do. They said, and I'm going to try it for the first time. They said, take some dishwashing liquid. I always use Dawn, so I happen to have that. They said, just squirt some in here. Not a lot. And then I'm going to head over to the sink and put a little bit of water in here. Then we're going to put it in the air fryer. And we're going to put it on and let it go for about maybe 10-15 minutes. Now supposedly, when we take this out, it's going to be nice and clean. So let me go get some water and we'll see if this TikTok hack works. Okay, so I headed over to the sink. I put some water in here. I'm going to put it back in the basket. And I'm going to turn it on. And put it on air fry. And I'm going to start it. Well, no, I'm not. I'm going to put it on air fry. Maybe I'm going to put it on about, I think they said about 15 minutes. And I'm going to put it on as if I was going to, they didn't really give you a temperature, maybe preheat it, and I'm going to start it. I'm going to let it run, and then when it goes off, I'm going to take the basket out, and I'm going to see how clean it is. So stay tuned. Look at this. I just got a pot holder, and I took out that little grate that's perfectly clean, and look at the inside. It's meticulous. So I guess this hack really does work. Honestly, I have to say, I am amazed. This is like spotless. And so is this. Wow, I'll tell you, I don't go on TikTok very often, but maybe I should start, because I will tell you, this is a hack that works. And like I said, if this was extremely messy, it's pretty easy to clean. You don't need any elbow grease. So anyway, thanks for stopping by and watching me experiment with this air fryer TikTok cleaning hack. I think it works. Give it a try and see what you think. So anyway, love you all. Thank you for your support. I'll see you soon. Toodles!